We switch gears now to Kano, which is the north-central or northeast Nigeria, where Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, has summoned the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court and the Chief Judge of Kano State High Court over conflicting interim injunctions regarding the Kano Emirate, causing uncertainty in the state. The Federal High Court in Kano, presided over by Justice S.A. Amobida, issued an order for the eviction of Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II from the Kalfa Kudu Palace, reinforcing the authority of the 5th Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero. On the other hand, the Kano State High Court, under the jurisdiction of Justice Amina Adamu Aliyu, issued an injunction to protect Muhammadu Sanusi and other key figures from potential harassment by state authorities. And now joining me on the news to discuss this is News Central's Emmanuel Bagudu. He is live in Kano State, I beg your pardon, and has been following this story as it unfolds. Emmanuel, I understand you've been waiting for quite a while. Thank you so much for just, being on top of the news. Tell us, what update do you have for us all the way from Kano?
Yeah, good afternoon. A very important update. As of this morning, Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf have banned public gathering that is related to protest. Officially, for now, he has banned protest activities till further notice. And that has actually brought calmness. The atmosphere is so serene right now, no any tension any longer. So even the home of Emir Aminu Ado Bayero at the Gidan Nasarawa Palace, the supporters have to leave and go back to their houses since they may be tempted to protest, since there is now a ban in protest. So the house is empty, just police officers guiding him. And I just went to the palace of Sanusi, where we are told that since there's a ban in protest, all the celebrations should calm down and there shouldn't be any form of noise. So that's the situation right now. The governor has banned protests. Any gathering that is related to protest is banned for now in Kano. That is the latest update. Thank you.
What do you make of these conflicting orders from the courts? One is for, one is against. What do you make of it? And now that the Chief Justice has now summoned both judges, what do you make of these conflicting orders?
Yes. It's very, in fact, it has an impact as to what is happening right now in Kano, because all of them have heard the news. And because while each member of the divide, each group from the divide, that's Sanusi and Ado Bayero, relying on their court judgment, most of them are aware right now that there is a move by the CJN to try to reconcile those judgments. So they are aware that as we speak, it's more like saying the matter is in court, since the CJN is already making a move to summon the two judges, the two head of courts, to sort the matter. So a lot of them are aware. That has actually impacted in their manner, in the way they relate, because a lot of spoke to them today and they said that the matter, as far as they're concerned, the matter is still in court. So I think that is the situation as regarding that issue. Everyone here is calm. Everyone here is keeping their fingers crossed to see what happens from the summon the CJN made to the Kano State High Court Chief Judge and that of the Federal High Court Chief Judge. Yeah.
The residents of Kano State and also indigents as well, with the ban of the protest and now the conflicting court orders, you say things are calm, but do you think that the protest will have some sort of leeway in resolving all the conflicting court orders in this matter?
You ask, sorry, I didn't get that question right. Can you just...
I was saying that with the residents protesting, with, them against and for, do you think that all of the sentiments by the indigents or of the indigents of Kano State and residents of Kano State, do you think they will have some sort of leeway or some influence over the resolving of these conflicting court orders?
Yes, the conflicting court order, in fact, is not... most of them are aware because, different court orders have been coming out. The two conflicting court orders are actually the subject of discussion right now. And it came at the right time where the governor actually banned protest activities to avoid confusion. Because from the beginning, why we had this protest was because protesters from the beginning actually were protesting because they saw a court order that actually says that their favorite emir, their favorite principal is the rightful emir of the state. So that is the reason why they are actually protesting. So, but coming to have knowledge of the fact that there's another court order, and then the Chief Justice of the country is trying to reconcile the matter, is already into the matter, that has given them reasons to calm down, because a lot of them spoke about that. So there's no any reason for any protest, since the two judgments are already being contested. The two judgments are already they are on their way to being reconciled.
Emmanuel, you seem to get you seem to get my question wrong. I was asking if, with their protest and the sentiments of the people, do you think it will have any influence in the resolving of the conflicting court order? Do you think the residents or the sentiments of the people towards who their favorite emir is, will it have any influence in resolving the court orders?
Of course. It will certainly have. In one way or the other, it will have, because what we're looking at here is that the main reason why the people, the citizens from the Ado Bayero side are protesting is the fact that they believe that the judgment that was delivered by the Federal High Court has actually authenticates their favorite candidate, which is Ado Bayero. So if at all we have a final resolution that is not a win-win for anybody, we should expect some reactions. We should expect some reactions from the other side. So, but we expected that the judiciary, in their wisdom, will be able to come up with something that will not result to any kind of trouble. Because I believe, because the reason why the people are very calm right now is because of that confidence they have in the judiciary, that confidence they have in the entire justice system. That's the reason why I think they are convinced to relax. So I don't think we should expect a lot of reactions as far as the resolution is on the way.
Emmanuel, many thanks. We appreciate you. We'll definitely come back to you if there's more updates, but many thanks again for doing this with us.